Well, we have the Chem E Car competition. The Chem E Car competition is a great opportunity for students to apply all the things they've learned in their chemical engineering education to practical application in building these cars, trying to meet certain criteria, for example, moving a certain weight a certain distance, and using some sort of chemistry to be able to make that happen. It's a great opportunity for them to work together as teams. It's a great opportunity to apply their education, and this builds not only a lot of excitement among the students, but great team spirit as they put these things together. Well, chemical engineers have the kind of background and education to be able to work on many of the world's problems today. So, for example, we're facing issues with energy, transportation and infrastructure, problems with water supplies, health and nutrition, and of course these great challenges with climate change. Chemical engineering is preparing each one of these students to deal with working on those problems. And in fact, working on these Chem E cars gives them an opportunity to translate some of the theoretical things they learn at the university into practical applications that then helps them in their careers. They're just a little bit further ahead when they begin to work on real projects. Well, I think if you look around you, almost everything you touch has been touched by a chemical engineer. So the plastics and materials that you may have in your home, the food that you're eating, the fuels that drive your vehicles, practically everything in your environment is shaped by chemical engineers.
An hour before the competition starts, we announce what the distance and the load are, and the students don't know that ahead of time. So they, on the fly, have to perform calculations based on calibration curves that they've developed ahead of time to determine how much reactants they need to add to their system to charge it to get to go the desired distance.
These are students who are having a ball. I mean, you can look around and see them cheering and yelling, and they're really getting involved, and that's what we want. We want young people involved, but they're also learning. This is a very serious competition in the sense that they're learning about a serious problem, which is developing alternate fuels. But I think what's really important about this competition is it teaches them that they can actually help society. And AIChE is very much involved in societal problems and looking to see if we can help in some way.
We feel great. We worked really hard on this car. We spent, nights and nights after. We did like you said, like 200 calibration runs. So, this is by far, we put the most work into this, and we're so glad to have won the nationals again. We won it 2 years ago. We won it now. We're very glad to do. There's a lot of push in alternative energy, especially, using the biomass and all that stuff. So, if we could make a car, at least on the small scale, like Chem E Car, and use that technology, maybe scale it up to some other method to power the car, that would be very beneficial to humanity. So
that's great.
Get to where we are. So I'd like to thank everyone, the team, of course, everyone from Cornell Engineering, the Department of Chem E, and our advisors.
The competition will start in less than 15 by the University of Tulsa. Rules. So the first car to go will be Buckoo for this year based on the course that we're at and where that screen is. 5 feet, carrying that 250 grams. Boy, you could win. If it keeps going, because we have to pick up the car at that point.
It is 8 tons. I put the iodide in here already. You did? 5 grams of iodide. This is all the ingredients.
That's everything?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. So then, what I want you to do.
Get Tony to turn that shit into MATLAB right now. No, we have
No, you don't. No, you do.
Ready?
No, this is this in here?
4.3. Hold on. What?
some motor and try some rear axle. Thank you.
And what's the name of your car?
The name of the University of Florida car is the Cougar.
And I like it. Is that an LED computer fan that you've got on your car?
Yes, it is.
Ohio University.
So our car runs with a hydrogen fuel cell, and then we're using a peristaltic pump and acid-based.
University. Here's our car. Just stop and stare. It runs on the battery, the aluminum air. At the line, it's gonna stop because of our good friend, the
A thermoelectric car. South Florida, get ready. So I'm sure they're going to tell us the nice music. No push-ups for the Dragon. It's going nicely. University of Wisconsin-Madison to the start line. Missouri Science and Technology next. Going to be LSU at 55.5 inches. It's doing well. Moving to the finish line. They're heading to the finish line. The car doesn't look like it wants to stop. It's going. You guys, we can't see your car.